What's up, y'all? So AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. We out here cleaning and cocktails event by my guy Ricky Regalado over there with Route and all of them. So coming to the event, we're gonna check it out. So let's go.
What's up, bro?
AJ.
My name is Yusuf.
Okay, good to meet you. You said Yusuf.
I looked for you yesterday.
Oh, for real? Okay.
I just wanted to meet you.
Good.
I watched your videos. I got into the cleaning industry a year ago while I was still in college.
Okay.
And I do residential, but after meeting everybody in commercial, I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to get in a bigger game.
Got to, yeah. That's what's up, though.
Yeah.
I said, damn, anything right over there, man. Yeah. Can I get a picture with you, man?
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
AJ, Xavier. Hey, good to meet you, man.
I said, you speaking or anything? Or?
I don't know. I'm gonna see. He told me, he gave me a little heads up and said, I might throw you on the spot. I said, all right. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna say, but.
I saw you last night. You had a crowd. I had to keep my distance, but I'm with Sunbelt.
I know some though. So I
Okay.
feel honored that you even want to talk to me.
Of course, yeah. No.
Now, I see you look YouTube.
Appreciate that.
Wonderful job.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
How long you been in the business?
I've been in the business 20 years.
Really? They introduce myself. Look. Hello, you gotta get up. Good to finally meet you in person, right?
Yes, yes. Oh my God, this is AJ.
He's a nah. Yeah, I know Don Terrell. Okay, well, good to meet you. AJ Simmons.
AJ?
I've seen you work for years. You do an excellent job, so I just wanted to make sure I introduce myself. Thank you. I learned a lot from you. Thank you. Yeah. Josh, AJ, good to meet you. I see the pictures all the time. You know what I mean? But as soon as you walk past, I was like, well, I know that guy. Then I seen Diana sitting right now. Oh, that's why I know that guy. Right?
To AJ's point, ask a question.
There you go. Ask him.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Ask him honestly, because a lot of people always say, "Well, AJ, what's the title?" And it's like, it changes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You might call your cleaners cleaning tech. Somebody else call them cleaners. You know what I mean? So it really just changes. So you really don't want to try to, get too specific with it, and just keep it simple. Ask them.
So
Yeah.
what you're saying is avoid the, hey, can I speak to the facility manager, the office manager?
Personally.
Go and say, hey, can I speak to the person that hires?
Yeah. Do you know who's in charge? Because 9 times out of 10, not all the time, but sometimes it won't be the person that picks up that phone. It's going to be a manager somewhere in the back, but they might have a different title at different places. So can you tell me who it is? You know what I mean? Just ask them.
See, I thought you had bodyguards around you. I lied
Look, I said the way I walked in, right?
Yeah.
They said this tall dude all behind him. Look.
Yeah, because people were looking at you.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, they said, you got bodyguards with him? You know?
Hey.
Yeah, today, when he walked in behind you, I'm like,
Dang,
oh
you
yeah.
really got bodyguards.
You don't walk with bodyguards.
No,
do you?
hell no.